So you're just going to be like, hi, and welcome to the eating show. Go ahead.
I really don't want to.
Come on.
Dad, come on. Hello, and welcome to the first annual... I don't want to do it.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to the first annual Pussatary Blind Taste Test. I'm your host, Ben Pussatary. The winner of our game tonight will have a chance to win $500,000. Yeah, win that money.
Hey guys, it's Marissa. I just want everyone to know that I'm the person behind the camera filming. Okay, bye. And Mocha.
Hello and welcome to our first two contestants. To my left here, what is your name, please?
Elizabeth,
And where are you from, Elizabeth?
Irwin, Pennsylvania.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm the best real estate agent in the Pittsburgh area.
All right, way to go, Lizzie. Welcome to the show. And to my right, who do I have?
Alexa,
Alexa, and where are you from?
North for Sales, Pennsylvania.
All right, Alexa, and what do you do for a living?
I'm a CT technologist.
All right, good for you. Welcome to the show. And I'm here with the Intimidator. His name is Jacob. He's mean, he's angry, and he's going to intimidate Elizabeth. I'm here with Elaine, the Intimidator from the East. And he's here to intimidate Alexa. What do you got to say to her?
Someone's gonna get lit up today, man.
Look out. What do you?
Apple.
Good job, good job. No intimidation here.
Apple.
Good job. Can I have an answer?
A tomato.
Yes!
Tomato.
Yes! Mozzarella cheese. Or I'll take a cheesesteak.
String cheese.
Good job.
String cheese.
Good job.
Is that ham?
Yes.
Ham.
Good job.
What is that? Ew. Ew.
Teriyaki sauce.
Mm-hmm. She's gonna get it.
She liked it.
Yum Yum sauce.
Yeah! And our winner in the first round is Alexa from North Versailles, Pennsylvania. Hello, welcome to round 2. Our contestant to my left, what is your name, young man?
Jake,
And where are you from, Jake?
North Huntington.
North Huntington. And what do you do for a living, Jake?
I'm a manager at Busy Beaver.
Yeah, let's hear it for the beef. And to my right, what is your name, young man?
Elaine, aka Sour.
Okay, Lane, aka Sour, where are you from, bro?
I'm from Pittsburgh.
All right, and what do you do for a living, Mr. Elaine from Pittsburgh?
I make a lot of dough.
He making
Pizza
dough.
dough. Pizza dough.
Oh, pizza
Pizza
dough.
dough.
He makes a lot of pizza dough.
Roast beef. Why's my face being touched?
You're being named.
You got that wrong.
I got it wrong.
Chicken.
Very nice.
Slim Jim.
Slim Jim.
Tootsie Roll.
Caramel.
That's weak.
Tootsie Roll.
It was,
Almond.
peanut.
I slap you. You're the fucking
Almond.
face.
Almond.
And he wouldn't let me.
Kit Kat.
Kit Kat.
Woo!
Congratulations! Our winner of round 2 is Jacob from Irwin, Pennsylvania. And welcome to our championship round. We have Jacob against Alexa for this opportunity to win $500,000. Tell me, Jake, what would you do if you won $500,000?
I'd buy a brand new car.
Nice. And how about you, Lex? What would you do with that $500,000?
Pay off my student loans.
All right, we have some really good frugal young Americans here. Let's get this party started.
Chocolate chip banana bread.
Exactly. I get big portions.
Banana bread.
Very good. Good job.
Peaches.
Peaches.
Perfect.
Caramel.
Correct.
Caramel.
Good job. Cheddar cheese.
Cheese.
What kind?
Cheddar.
Correct.
Ridiculous.
That was good. All right. Are you ready?
Cube cheese.
Specifically, what kind of cheese is that?
Cheddar. What's so funny?
You'll see. I heard you everybody. Dude, this video has me funny as fuck. This is the last round, tied 4-4, and we're going with. Yes, it is.
Yeah.
A ho-ho.
Very good.
Wait, keep them.
Sudden death.
Wait.
Sudden death. Grape juice.
Am I able to get more?
Can I have some water? Cranberry juice. How? What was it?
It was grape juice.
Did Jake get it right?
Jake got it right.
Fuck!
Jacob is our winner. Jacob, congratulations!
Yay!
Jacob's our winner. He can win up to $500,000. Here you go.
Thank you.
I'm going to go for $500,000. $500,000. Loser. All that shit.
Be a loser.